no, what a mess! But wait, Orni has a plan. Let's help together! Toys on the floor, put away. Everything in its place. My little shoes, nice and neat. Making my bed feel so sweet. Dirty clothes in the bin. Helping out, let's begin. Feed the pet, nice and slow. Helping is how we grow. I help, I care, I can do it everywhere. With Orni learning every day. I help, I care, I do my part. Helping at home from my heart. Emma helps Moa too. Everyone knows what to do. When we help, everything shines. A happy home all the time. Helping is love that we share. Doing our part shows we care. Together we make a better place with happy